How many times have you struggled with a flimsy toilet paper holder? Yeah. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you a super stylish and practical bathroom accessory I found in Temu. Now drill toilet paper holders with rustic just and wood ball design. Download the Temu app if you don't have it yet. The link is in the description. No drills, no screws, no mess. The adhesive installation makes it easy to stick in your bathroom well instantly, and it holds your toilet paper securely without falling. The rustic just and wooden ball design and added warm farmhouse touch to your bathroom decor, making it both functional and aesthetic. It's perfect for renters, anyone who hates drilling into walls, or just looking to upgrade their bathroom style effortlessly. Affordable, easy to install, and looks amazing. It's small upgrade that makes a big difference. The link is in the description. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.